Okay, let's look at the searchable article list, which is the second item on the menu. If you select that option from the menu, you'll see all the articles you've exported from Medium. And if you click on this link here, it will take you to Medium and let you see those lists. It will also show you how many articles there are in it. The table itself will show you the article title, which lists or list it belongs to, is it still on Medium, have you completed it, what keywords and notes you've added, when you added it to MBM, when you last updated details of that article, and here's a link that will take you to a page where you can add information or update it about the article. But we'll cover that on another video. The first thing you can do is focus on just one specific list, such as copywriting. The page will redisplay and show you only the copywriting articles, of which there are 18 in this case. Again, this link will take you to Medium so you can see your copywriting list there. As with the dashboard, you can sort the columns, alphabetical, in reverse or either order. You can sort it by lists, the status, when it was added to the database, whatever you want, as long as there are 2 arrows at the top. But let's put it back in the default alphabetical article title sequence. So if we look at articles I've just added and updated, you can see that this one has keywords, this one has notes, but there are other ways you can find this information. There are, as you'll see down here, a long list of predefined searches you can use. So let's say we wanted to find all the articles that we'd added notes to. At and we'll list anything where there's a note. You can also look for articles that have notes or keywords. Or you can look for ones that have neither notes nor keywords. There's a whole bunch of these you should look at in the instructions. If you click the article title here, it will take you to Medium where you can read the article in detail. And as you saw earlier, if you click the icon in this column, it will take you to the Update Article Information page, which we'll cover later. As with the dashboard, you can search for information. So if you want to find articles that contain the word traffic, you can do that. You could even search for dates or partial dates. As with the dashboard too, you can see how many entries you've got, how many articles in this case. It shows 50 to a page by default. You can change that at the top of the table. And if you apply a filter, it will show you how many of these 486, in this case, articles you're actually seeing. If you want, you can restore the default order of the articles with that button. And here you can scroll through and navigate all the different articles that there are. Also, you can export these article details to a file on your computer. But note that it will only show the articles in the list you've selected. It will not exclude the ones you've filtered. So if I search for the word traffic again, it will export all the articles, not just the ones that show traffic. And finally, as again, there are detailed instructions at the bottom of the page, including all the predefined searches you can use. But if you have any further questions, again, get in touch with me and I'll be happy to answer your questions.